Hello friends, in this session we are going to see how to uninstall SQL Server from the computer. So let's start. Control panel, then there is a program files, go on it, then there is a research SQL Server and there is a no size is mentioned, correct? So click on it and press the uninstall button. So there is a one pop-up on screen, press on yes. It will say add, repair or remove. Please click on remove. So operation is starting now. Yes. Instance remove feature from the MS SQL Server. Yes. Click on next. And there are some multiple instances as well on the machine. So you have to click on a particular instance. You have to. And right now there is a default instance MS SQL Server. So I am uninstalling it and click on a select all means those are the services we'll remove from the machine. Click on next. Yeah, feature rules, remove button, click. Yeah, and uninstallation process is started. It will take few minutes to complete this operation. Yes, done. So at the end, you will get all the things means master data services succeeded, database engine services installed, and analysis services. Whatever you installed on it, that particular machine, then all the services will get uninstalled. Yeah, click on the close button and restart the machine. One more thing I have to say, when you uninstall Microsoft SQL Server, then there are some things are still remaining, like the Microsoft SQL Server components, mean the T-SQL language service, state of local DB native client, and OLB driver for the SQL Server. It is your choice to uninstall it or install it. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, share it, and please subscribe my channel. Thanks. Bye.